Lancelot began to slay a dragon in order to rescue the maiden Elaine. The knight, the dragon, and the damsel in distress. It's one of the most common images in dragon lore, and there may be more here than meets the eye.
Never be a old man, boy.